GloBugz!
GloBugz, did you know that it's Black History Month? I want to introduce you to an incredible and powerful woman, Nanny of the Maroons.
Hey, GloZell.
Hello, Nanny.
Thank you so much for having me here in the magical forest.
Thank you for coming.
My pleasure.
Nanny, what is your story?
I was born in West Africa in 1686. Many might not know who I am, and not a ton has been written about me, but I do have quite a story.
Ooh.
I was born into the Ashanti tribe. I escaped from slavery after being transported to Jamaica. What? I then, after escaping, rebelled against slave owners and the plantation owners. I helped to head up a group known as the Maroons. They estimate I helped free over 1,000 slaves alone by myself in a 30-year time period. Go me!
Oh my goodness, go you for real! That's amazing, 1,000 slaves. You're the Harriet Tubman of Jamaica.
Pretty much before there was a Harriet Tubman, there was me.
Wow!
Now in Jamaica, I am known as a folk hero. Unfortunately, as all of us have to do sometimes. I died in 1733, but people to this day still refer to me as Queen Nanny.
Wow. How do you feel about 2018? Have we come far since your lifetime?
We have come a long way, GloZell. But unfortunately, inequality is still in existence today. And that breaks my heart a little bit. I hope that every day in America, in Jamaica, in the entire world, we push ourselves towards practicing empathy.
Empathy, yeah! What is empathy?
To be empathetic just means you understand the feelings of other people. You put yourself in their shoes. Because the truth is, no one race is better than the other.
Wow.
And we can never, ever stop working to impress that upon young people.
Wow, what do you want history to remember you by?
I stood up for what I believed in. I fought with my life for what would make the lives of everybody that I loved better. And I encourage all little girls out there to never stop going after the things that they want most in life. When you are forthright and you believe in yourself and your rights, you can do anything.
Wow, that was beautiful. That was so strong. I'm like, I'm trying to hold it together, GloBugz.
Also, GloZell, fun fact, I'm also on the Jamaican $500 bill.
$500?
Oh yeah.
Wow, you are really one of the forgotten women of history. You are so inspiring to little girls everywhere, all colors, all nationalities. Thank you so much, Queen Nanny, for visiting the magical forest today.
Oh, thank you.
Wow, I can be like you.